With the school year just around the corner, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and anxiety. But don't worry, I've got a few hacks to not only help you survive, but thrive this academic year. And we're all doing this with my favorite design app, Canva. Let's see what you can make in Canva to start your academic year off right. If you don't know what Canva is a user-friendly online design platform that anybody can use to create a wide range of visual content, even if you have no design skills. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can design presentations, graphics, social media posts, infographics, and more using their stunning library of templates, fonts, and images. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, use my link in the description below to sign up for a free account and get 30 days of the pro version for free. Have you ever heard the saying, if you can dream it, you can do it? Well, with Canva, you can design an aesthetic and inspiring vision board to start your year off right. Use images, quotes, and reminders of your goals and keep yourself motivated throughout the year. It's like having a personal cheerleader on your wall or on your digital wall. The next one is a handy one and will make you look like a design pro. Be the star of your group project or presentation by designing engaging slides that communicate effectively, structures your thoughts, and captivate your audience. Canva has all these delicious templates for you to choose from, and you'll stand out in your class for sure. Now, flashcards are the unsung hero of revision. Canva allows you to create visually appealing cards that break down information into digestible chunks, which makes studying more manageable and fun. And guess what? They're perfect for on-the-go learning. You got a few minutes waiting for the bus? Time for a quick review. And if you need a little confidence boost for your year ahead, make some affirmation cards. There can be days when self-doubt creeps in, and affirmation cards are your go-to. You can design these cards on Canva with positive statements and your favorite uplifting design to remind you of your worth, capabilities, and strength. Print them out for your notebook, binder, mirror, walls, or make them for your digital wallpaper. A quick glance at one can really turn a bad day around. If you're dreading your long list of class schedule, then romanticize your student life and design a class schedule that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It ensures you never miss a class or deadline and gives you a clear view of your free time. Setting goals is great, but tracking them on a beautifully designed tracker, even better. Monitor your progress, celebrate small wins, and stay committed with a tracker that's as inspiring as your goals. And procrastination comes hand in hand with studying, so study smart with a study planner. You can find your aesthetics in Canva and customize to your needs. Allocate specific times for each subject or task and ensure everything gets the attention it deserves. No more last-minute cramming. And if this is your graduating year, creating a professionally designed resume and portfolio is a must. You can customize these to fit your style, your field, and you'll also look like a professional without breaking the bank. So there you have it. Making these items on Canva not only helps you study hard, but study smart for the new year. So happy studying and good luck this year!